Are You Getting Old by old Chainsaw Bob. If you can remember when the price of cars was something like this, or if in your dreams you look like this, but when you wake up you look like this, you're getting old, my friend. Some of these looking familiar to you? Well, you're getting old, my friend. Old age is something that you think is never going to get you, and you turn around one morning and you're there. Old age, my friend. Your friends have sent you this because they're worried that you're looking awful old nowadays. If you have friends that are getting old, forward this on to them. Video 327 by old Chainsaw Bob. Thanks.